So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today I will be giving you guys a very quick update about something very important. Um, I'm talking about the Jamaican trials, national trials, right? Now, before we continue with this video, in case this happens to me your first time here on this YouTube channel, do me a favor to make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, the Jamaican national trials is an annual event that took place every single year. Top three best athletes in each meters are being selected to represent the country at either the Olympics or the World Athletic Championship, or probably the Diamond League. So it is more like a mini competition being held in Jamaica, which will determine the best among the best. Now, the Jamaican trials, it does not really show partiality. It does not matter whether you have been winning gold medal. It does not matter if you have 10 gold medals. If you fail to qualify, you will be disqualified. Now, let's take for instance Shelly, Elaine and Shericka Jackson failed to qualify. What I mean is, probably unfortunately some young athlete ended up beating Shelly, Elaine and Shericka. Do you know what it means? What it means is that both Shericka, Shelly and Elaine Thompson-Hira will not have a chance to represent Jamaica at the Paris Olympic 2024. But if they made it, they qualify as the 1, 2, 3, the big three, definitely they will represent Jamaica at the 2024 Paris Olympic. But if any of them unfortunately or mistakenly got beaten by a new athlete, a new upcoming athlete like Alana Red, Kemba Nelson, Brian Williams, Brian Larson, it means that the big three, one of the big three, if she is mistakenly beaten by an upcoming sprinter athlete, it means she or he will not have a chance to represent Jamaica at the big stage, which is Paris Olympic 2024. Now, you all should remember what happened to Elaine Thompson-Hira. I think she was being beaten by a new athlete, an upcoming athlete, and last year 2023 at the World Athletics in Oregon, and she had no choice because she was being beaten. So that is how the national trials work. That is how the whole Paris Olympic whatever works. You have to qualify. You have to run with the local athlete, no matter how big you are. And it actually offers opportunity for new athletes to showcase their talent. Anyway, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the main point of this video. Now, this race is called JAA Puma Junior and Senior National Athletics Championship, and it will be taking place on June 27 to 30th of 2024. So this national trials championship in Jamaica will take place in the month of June, which is the coming month, and it will be between the 27 to 30 of the month June. So make sure you save this date, and make sure you purchase your ticket, because it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be exciting because the big three will be showing up.